time sunrise?
Around 6:20.
That gives us about 4 minutes.
Hey, you know those Christmas pals I gave you? Throw them out of the house. Now.
Somebody help me, please! Can anybody hear me? Please don't hurt me, please. No!
Miss Sharp! Miss Sharp! Please! Don't
Quiet! I'm sorry. The blood extractor is occupied at the moment, so we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way.
No! No, please, Miss Sharp, no!
Old school.
I call upon thee, Naburos, guardian of the gates of hell. In the name of Mammon, demon of wealth and profit, let pass your master. Baal, supreme commander of the infernal army. Baal, with innocent plan I summon thee.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. There is no one who can help you now, my child.
Hey, Bale, we got company.
Ah, the proud papa.
Dad, you have to help me, please. You have to help me right now.
Everyone freeze! Hands in the air.
Sergeant Russell, what an interesting surprise.
Hey, she looked dead to me.
Dad, you have to help me right now, please. You have to get me out of here.
Don't worry, honey. Daddy's here.
You, Santa Claus, step away from the girl.
My revenge grows sweeter by the moment.
Revenge? What are you talking about? What did I do to you?
6 centuries ago, your ancestor Jean-Paul Toulon sold his soul to me for the secrets of alchemy. But when I came to collect my prize, his soul was lost to me, commingled with an ancient oak deep in the Black Forest.
I never heard that part of the story.
It was from that secret oak that his son carved the first Toulon puppets. Hi, guys.
And now my revenge has come full circle. Bring me the puppets.
You got it, boss.
No! The puppets are mine! I have honored my side of the bargain. It's time to honor yours.
The deal is done when I have bathed in her blood.